Hello, Professor Sargent here with you to look at some examples of solving radical equations, specifically solving some examples with square roots in them and the variable under the square roots. These videos are not meant to be entire lessons. Instead, they are meant to go over some examples that have given students from a previous semester taking the same course more difficulties. And I have, for this particular section, two examples, and we're going to look at two different methods of, well, not two different methods, but two options for solving them. Furthermore, if there are some things you need to back up on and review, I'm going to point to some videos that I've recorded earlier for you to check into. So here we go. So in this first example, the first option would be to isolate one of the square roots, say to add square root of x plus 10 to get square root of 3x plus 3 alone. And you might wonder, what good does that do? Because that's going to leave us with another square root on the other side. Well, we're going to get past that. Let's just go ahead and square root both sides. Which on the left-hand side is going to cancel the square root. On the right-hand side, if you multiply the binomial a plus b by itself using FOIL or whatever method you've learned for squaring a binomial, well, we get this special formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you're unfamiliar with that, I'm going to link a video from earlier that goes into that a little bit more. So take a to be the square root of x plus 10. Take b to be 3. So in the middle, we're going to have 2 times square root of x plus 10 times the 3 outside it. And then we've got the b, or the 3, being squared. Again, the squaring of the square root of x plus 10 is going to cancel out the square roots. The order of the multiplication doesn't matter, so I'll put the 2 times 3 together in front of x plus 10's under the square root. Clean things up a bit by combining like terms on the right-hand side. And notice that that has given us only a single square root on the right-hand side, whereas we started with 2. Continuing to combine like terms, 3x minus x, 3 minus 19. You don't have to do the following, but everything that's outside of a square root is even, so I'm going to divide them by 2. And we've almost got that single square root isolated. However, as the formula up here shows us, we can't just distribute the squaring across addition. We get this middle term. On the other hand, with multiplication or division, you can, quote, distribute squaring to the individual factors. And so squaring both sides, I'll have to square the 3 and square the square root of x minus 10. On the left-hand side, taking a to be x and b to be negative 8, it's giving me x squared minus 16x plus 64. You'd get the same thing if you multiply the quantity x minus 8 by itself, distributing on the right-hand side. Combining like terms all to the left side, we see that we have a quadratic equation here. And let's see here. Got a typo here. It's still a plus 10. And so 64 minus 90 is negative 26. So I need a negative product. They're going to be different signs. They have to add up to a negative 25. So the larger is negative. And perhaps the very first, in fact, the very first option we would try, negative 26 and positive 1, will do the job. Setting each factor equal to 0 and solving for x, we've got that x is equal to x is equal to either 26 or negative 1. We're going to find out that now, let's go with the negative 1 first. 3 times negative 1 plus 3, that's negative 3 plus 3 is 0. This is going to give us negative 3, not positive 3. So we're going to reject our answer of x equals negative 1. Whereas if we put in the positive 26, 3 times 26 is 78. 78 plus 3 is 81. 26 plus 10 is 36. So we've got, after taking the square roots first and then subtracting, that does give us 3. So we keep just x equals 26 as a solution. And I want you to know that technically, even though there's only one here, it is a set of solutions, even when there's just one. Curly Q braces around that. If you're using an online system, it's probably going to give you space just to type in the 26. And they already have the curly Q braces around it. Let's check out the other option.